Get the...
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Good Thursday evening. Meteorologist Jim Danner here with a look at your weather headlines. We still have some of that snow out there. It's very light this evening and expected to be pretty light through the overnight period. So that'll be wrapping up today. I'll get a little bit of a break heading into the weekend before more snow. Even some colder air starts to work its way, especially as we get in the early part of next week. So as the kiddos head out tomorrow morning, about 14 degrees. It's going to be some teens to near 20 degrees out there. And then by the afternoon, not warming up a whole lot, but we will make it into the lower 20s. Some areas could see mid-20s. Still very cold for this time of year. And there you go. 24 in Albany right now. Utica, we're sitting at 20. Campbell's at 19. And Buffalo sitting at 21 degrees. The wind chills out there are all above zero, at least on this map here. 4 above at Potsdam, 6 at Utica, and 10 above zero in Syracuse. So bundle up as you head out and about. Again, just some very light snow showers out there, some flurries lingering this evening. But out towards the west, that's your drier air, and it will continue to push eastward over the coming days. And so again, we'll get a little bit of a break before the snow returns. But even as we get into next week, snowfall totals aren't going to be real impressive. So at least that helps. It'll still be on the cold side, but we'll get a brief little warm up. And then out towards the west, there's our next storm system, causing a lot of havoc across the southern plains this morning and this afternoon. A lot of snow, ice, and rainfall there. So we're up to a 50% chance of snow on Saturday. Then we'll drop it off on Sunday, about a 20% on Monday, back to a 40% chance on Tuesday. That's ahead of our next cold front. So there's your 10-day temperature trend, and there's the cold front I mentioned. So we'll make it up to 33, just barely above freezing on Monday before we see temperatures plummet once again, 17 by Wednesday of next week. Wind forecast for tomorrow, that's going to be pretty reasonable as well, but it doesn't take much. 5 to 10 mile per hour breeze can make those temperatures, again, as you saw on the wind chill map, feel a little bit colder than the actual air temperature. And there is your wind chill forecast for tomorrow. So we'll start out near zero as far as what it feels like out there. Again, that's the wind and the temperature together. And then it starts to feel like closer to 19 degrees by 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So again, bundle up as you head out and about. Futurecast. So we got the clouds around this evening, but they will be breaking up, especially as we get into the day tomorrow. 17 degrees at 6 a.m. here in Utica, and breaks in the clouds again for tomorrow. So we will see sun peeking through, all ahead of more clouds that'll be pushing in our direction as we get into Saturday, and that's when we'll see another shot at some snow showers out there. 20 degrees or so, lower 20s for tomorrow afternoon. And then here comes the snow by midnight Saturday. During the day, it weakens quite a bit as we go through the afternoon, but we still could see some of those flurries. 26 degrees by Saturday afternoon. And your snowfall forecast, this is all 1 to 2 inches. That's okay. It can make the roadway slick out there, but that's going to be mainly this weekend and the early part of next week. Lows tonight dropping down to anywhere from 5 to 15 degrees, and then highs tomorrow back up into the lower 20s, mid-20s possible, and that 7-day forecast. Warming up a little bit, 26 on Saturday, but snow showers in the morning, and then we have mostly cloudy skies Sunday before snow returns with that front on Tuesday.
Thank you, Jim. Coming up next on Eyewitness News at 6.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Good Thursday evening. Meteorologist Jim Danner here. Look at your forecast. First, here's your weather headlines. Starting to see the snow really come to an end. Still some flurries out there in a few spots and some light little snow showers. Not out of the question, but they'd be very isolated for the overnight period. So we'll get that break for tomorrow, and then more snow and cold coming our way for the weekend, although not looking for a whole lot as far as snowfall totals out there. Starting off at the bus stop tomorrow morning, bundle up. We'll start to see some breaks in the clouds, though. I think some sun peeking through for some areas by then. And we'll see a little bit more sunshine as we go through the afternoon, partly to mostly cloudy skies, but only making it up to around 20 to 25 degrees for tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures out there right now, 19 here in Utica, Albany at 21, along with Syracuse and Campbell right now at 14. The wind chills now dropping to 0 up there at Potsdam. 6 here at Utica. It feels like 4 in Campbell and 9 out in Buffalo. Still have some clouds around for this evening, but they'll be coming to an end, and we'll see, or I'll say we're not coming to an end, but we'll have breaks in the clouds as early as late tonight, early tomorrow morning, and then throughout the day tomorrow. And then we have another storm system coming in from the west, and that's going to push more clouds in our area for late tomorrow, and then snow returning late tomorrow night and into Saturday. In fact, starting off the day Saturday, about a 50% chance some light snow out there. And then we get a little bit of a break, 20% on Monday. The front will come through on Tuesday, bring us another shot at some snow showers, and then just isolated for Wednesday and Thursday. That 10-day temperature trend, a little bit of a warm-up. Trying to get at 2 or slightly above freezing this weekend before the front comes in and bottoms us back out in highs in the teens by the middle part of next week. Wind forecast for tomorrow, not looking too bad, 5 to 10 miles per hour out of the west-northwest. And your wind chill forecast for tomorrow is going to be improving a little bit. Winds are going to be fairly light. That's why you'll see these wind chill numbers very close to, these feels like numbers very close to what the actual air temperature is for tomorrow afternoon. Futurecasts, again, break in the clouds. Have just a few little light snow showers out there this evening and overnight. The clouds will break up even further for tomorrow, but still partly to mostly cloudy skies. But then by late tomorrow into tomorrow evening, clouds increase across the area once again, and then the snow comes along by midnight, Friday night, Saturday morning, and then it rapidly moves off towards the east, and then we're left with just isolated snow showers as we go through the day Saturday into Saturday evening. So temperatures will warm into the mid and upper 20s by Saturday afternoon. Snow forecast, though, through Sunday morning, about 1 to 2 inches. Not too bad out there. Again, we'll make the roadways a little bit slick. Those that have a chance to kind of melt a little bit, they're going to be freezing over pretty quickly with that snowfall. Lows tonight dropping down to about 5 to 15 degrees, and then for highs tomorrow back around 20 to 25. Those west-northwest winds at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. 7-day forecast then, there's your late Friday night, early Saturday morning snow showers. 26 for a high Saturday. We'll be back up close to freezing for Sunday and Monday. And then the next front comes through with our next chance of snow on Tuesday. Highs back down the teens by Wednesday and Thursday.
Thank you, Jim. Now the football season